Today's market, all about chips and bank stocks. Chips were higher after Taiwan Semi earnings report. Nvidia, Micron both up more than 2%. AMD about 6%. Western Digital, SanDisk also much higher. Banks also higher after impressive earnings from Morgan Stanley, which was up 5%. Goldman up 4%. S&P gave back some, up 15 at the end of the day after being up about 40 points. The Dow was up 250 after being up more than 400. Earlier this morning, weekly jobless claims came in at 198,000, much lower than estimates, and that's the lowest in nearly 2 years. The Empire State Manufacturing Index soared up 11 points to 77. Same with Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index as well. Equity option data futures volume yesterday soared over 7.2 million contracts. ES put volume, which hit nearly 71% 2 days ago, now down to just about 60%. Yesterday, E-mini Russell short-term call volume options expiring within 5 days jumped to nearly 50% of the volume, and in the E-mini Nasdaq short-term call volume, same thing. Options expiring short-term in about 5 days or less jumped to over 50%. As mentioned earlier this week, keep an eye on tomorrow's expiring 70/50 calls in the ES. Open interest there of over 20,000 contracts. Crypto, Bitcoin stalled a bit after hitting nearly 98,000. 2025 trading highlights from the CME. Well, record futures and options average daily volume of over 278,000 contracts. Record average open interest also over 313,000 contracts. Record futures average daily volume, 272,000 contracts, and record average open interest of over 253,000 contracts. We also saw record options average daily volume, 4,100 contracts, average open interest of 60,400 contracts. And earlier today, in a big announcement from the CME announced that it's going to expand its suite of regulated cryptocurrency derivatives with adding the launch of Cardano, Chainlink, and Stellar futures. And that's going to be on February 9th, pending regulatory review.